Create a new activity. Indicate the tariff or rate code, the short description, the extended description, the measurement and the unit price. Specify the total activity amount. The activity taskbar is inserted in the time schedule with a 1-day duration. Visually determine the activity duration or indicate the number of working days. Create a folder, specify a name and confirm. Move activities in folders to create required groupings. The activities created in the table are now found in the activity list editor.